Welcome to this meditation. This is your safe space, a moment dedicated solely to you. Here, you can let go of all tension, slow down, and reconnect with your inner calm. I will guide you step by step toward a sense of lightness and serenity. Start by finding a comfortable position. You can choose to sit or lie down, whatever feels best for you. When you're ready, gently close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. There's no need to force or change it. Simply observe it as it is. Take a deep breath in, slowly inhaling through your nose. Feel the cool air filling your lungs, and then exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension. Silently repeat to yourself, I inhale calm, and I exhale tension. Now, bring your attention to your body. How are you feeling at this moment? No need to judge, just observe. Notice the weight of your body resting on the surface beneath you. Allow yourself to be completely supported. Imagine a warm, soothing light starting at the top of your head. This light gently flows downward, relaxing every muscle. Let go of any tension in your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. Relax your neck and shoulders. Feel your shoulders becoming lighter, as if they are releasing every burden. The light continues to flow downward, relaxing your chest, your arms, and your abdomen. Notice your breath becoming deeper and more natural. Each time you inhale, you feel calmer. Each time you exhale, you release what you no longer need. Now, imagine that your anxiety is like a gray cloud within you. Don't fight it or try to push it away. Just observe it as if it's a guest about to leave. With every exhale, imagine a little bit of this cloud leaving your body and dissolving into the air. With each breath, the cloud grows smaller, lighter, until all that remains is a clear, open sky within you. In this bright and open space, there is only calm, there is only peace. Now, bring to mind an image of a place that makes you feel safe and at peace. It could be a quiet beach, a serene mountain, or a special place from your childhood. Visualize yourself there, feeling the sun gently warming your skin and a soft breeze brushing against you. Feel the peace of this place entering every part of you. Let this sensation expand, filling your entire being. Here, there's no room for anxiety. Here, you are simply yourself, at peace. When you're ready, slowly bring your attention back to your body. Notice your feet, your hands, and the surface beneath you. Begin to gently wiggle your fingers and toes, taking all the time you need to return to the present moment. When you open your eyes, carry this sense of calm and lightness with you. Remember, you can always return to this state of tranquility. Your breath is a steady anchor, always available to guide you back to peace. Thank you for taking this moment for yourself. Be kind to yourself. And remember, calmness is always within you, ready to welcome you